Hollers and Hills of West Virginia. It's Heavenly Hills Homestead with another episode and a whole lot of product. Stay tuned. Stay tuned. Come on over here and smack it. Come on, hurry up. Hurry up. Smack it. Come on. Boom. Guys, doing a little spring cleaning today in the grow room, and so I just wanted to kind of do some stuff here, trash, and show y'all on camera what some of these roots and stuff were, plus dig these potatoes up that's in here and see if we got any potatoes out of the deal. So first off, well, they done rotted. That had a huge root system. It was even turning to wood, and that is the giant bean that we had been growing inside. We still got the other one growing in there, the other giant bean. We'll leave it in there, as I've not been able to have successful pollination on any of the beans off of that particular one. None of them have successfully pollinated. I've put a fan to them, I've tapped on them, I've done everything I can, and have not had successful pollination. So now next thing.
Yeah, we're trying to fix this thing.
Let's see here. It's this right here. We need to get that up out there. And we'll take that in the greenhouse and plant it. That's our rotunda eggplant. We got one already in the greenhouse growing, so we'll plant that. I went ahead and we'll plant this tomato as well as the one that's back there in the greenhouse. I've got, let's see here, I've got some carrots here that were looking good until I started finagling with stuff a few days back, and now they don't look so hot, but they are growing new roots, so I'm assuming that they're trying to grow back. So we'll put these in something as well, and just let them do their thing. Probably just keep them in a pot. I got a 2-gallon pot over there. I'll probably just put them in that. These are those purple ones. Now let's see here. Cilantro didn't do no good. Probably need to pull this lettuce, plant it somewhere successfully, so maybe it'll do something. I don't know. I don't like wasting stuff. As you can tell, probably ain't no damn. Nah, I can probably get it to grow something. Anyhow, let's look at these taters. So we grew. Man, that's a lot of root. Look at all that root right there. Yeah. That's all from that. Look at all them roots. That's all from them giant beans. See all that? Tons and tons and tons. Look at all that root mass down there from the giant beans. Hopefully we got some some worms in here, I'm hoping.
What is worms?
Yeah. Alright, let's see here. Just trying to clear out any kind of mess. Alright, so let's dig taters. Let's dig taters, right, Malachi?
Yeah, potato.
Yeah, for taters. I'm dig taters.
It smells.
It smells. What it smell like?
It's not on a tree.
Yeah.
Something about a tree, something about the sunflower.
No. No, it didn't produce any potatoes. No potatoes. Got plants, but no taters on these.
What kind of amending?
So, well, I don't know that they're going to do anything at all.
What?
Sunflower.
What?
What? Yeah, what?
It's really,
Not a very good root system on this sunflower.
it's really fun. It's really fun.
Yep. Put it out there in the yard.
Good job.
And let's see what we got on sweet potatoes. Since
Yes,
these
sweet
potatoes didn't do
potatoes.
anything. Not a thing. Not a thing. I believe it just, I think it just stayed way too moist over there. Now, I've watered this the past few days, so that's why it's wet now. But I think possibly we just stayed a touch too moist. Gonna have to figure that out. Got the sand down there. There's the sweet potatoes. Right there. And we're going to plant these out here and see if they'll grow. So I'll move all this around and we'll find a little spot to put these sweet potatoes for now. And hopefully we can get a little something off of them. I don't know. Might not. But I got to start some more sweet potato starts anyhow. So on to the next. What'd you say?
Yeah.
What'd you say?
Yeah.
Yeah, what? What'd you say? Hey, what'd you say?
Tickets.
Huh?
Tickets.
Tickets.
Ticket?
Ticket? I don't have a ticket. What'd you say?
Camera.
Kira, yeah. What are those?
Reading dogs.
Yeah, what are these?
What?
What are they called? Are they your what? What are them?
What are they?
Yeah, tell me what they are. Right here, baby, on your feet. What are these? What are these? What are you wearing?
Real. Real.
Huh?
Reading dogs.
What are these? What is this?
This, yeah.
Did you say that was your golden cowboy boot?
The cowboy boot.
Yeah, is it your golden cowboy boot?
Look.
I see, that's dirt. Yeah, hey, look at me. Look. Come here. Hey, stop being camera shy. You little fart. Come here. Come here. What?
High five.
High five. All right, good boy. All right, what are them?
Take a pictures.
Taking pictures. I'm taking pictures. I'm taking all kinds of pictures. Thousands per second. What are these? Tell me what these are. Hey, what are these? Them your golden cowboy boots?
Cowboy boots.
Say, them's my crap kickers.
Tacticals.
Your what?
Tacticals.
Crap kickers? Yep. Say crap kickers. Say, them's my crap kickers, Dad. That's right. Them your crap kickers? Yep. All right, you little turd. Put some potatoes in on this end below these chickens here. And then when I get the new coop, we'll set the new coop on this side of them. I'll get it all nice and fixed up and bricked up and put it over here, the new coop. We'll have potatoes growing there. We'll try to plant some potatoes here and stuff too. We'll just kind of play with it. I've never grown potatoes, so I don't know. We're just gonna experiment with stuff. So what I'm gonna do right now though, I'm gonna set this stuff over here. I'm sure these are just gonna go to waste, but at least we'll get to play around a little bit. I'm gonna dump that whole tote worth of dirt in this, and I'm gonna till it all in. Should be some pretty good stuff, because this is where the rabbit manure and everything come from. So hopefully this will be a good and productive spot. In fact, you know what? I need to run a metal detector over it first. So let me get that done, and then we'll do that. Well, actually, no, we'll till it, and then we'll run a metal detector through it, I guess, afterward. That way, anything easy, we can find it there on top. So hopefully I don't mess nothing up with the tiller, but if we do, it happens. Oh, well. got tilled up, put 4 wheelbarrow loads of dirt in here, tilled it all up, took tons of rocks out. You can see them all over there, bunches and bunches of rocks, lots of roots took out of here. Took a couple hours. We got it done, and we'll just, I don't know, these probably won't do anything. If they do, cool. If they don't, no sweat. Got more going. Just wanted to get that ready. So we got the prep. We got the potato bed prepped. We put these pieces of board down here. There's one completely buried under there, so you can see how much it raised it up. That's probably 15 to 18 inches deep in good loose soil there. So we should have pretty good potatoes growing in there. I just want to grow like a real big ring of them and just see how many will gather up in that, 15 to 18 inches. I'd like to get it up to 24 inches if possible. We might try that and see before, and just see what it does and see how many potatoes we can get. So I'm thinking we could probably do pretty good in that good loose soil, and we got all that stuff in there, so it shouldn't compact very much. It should be able to put down some pretty good tubers and everything. So we'll see. That's coming up pretty soon. Probably should have had it done. I got to get those eyes cut and everything, so we'll be doing that the next day or so, and just let it heal over for a day, and then we'll be planting them. So let's get on with it. The sun has decided to come out and grace us with his presence on this, what has been a pretty rainy day. I guess I'll get the tiller over here and try to finish tilling this over here up, and then try to finish all that over there. So that way we at least got that done, and we can maybe build tomorrow our longboard trellises. What we doing, buddy?
Yeah.
Huh?
I'm sorry.
Yeah, we swinging?
Yeah.
We're swinging. You like swinging?
Yeah.
Yeah. About went for a ride, didn't we? Wind about took you away. Yep. About caught that. About blew him off. Yeah. I got it. I'm sitting on it. It won't blow us now. Unless a hurricane or a tornado comes. And even then, I'm not too sure Daddy's big butt wouldn't hold us here. Pretty good about anchoring things. Yeah, it's blowing. You my buddy? Pound? Fist bump? Fist bump. All right. High five. All right. Fist bump? Fist bump? What is this? A fist bump? High five. All right, buddy. Yep. Kira, stop making your brother pull you around. He's too little. Oh, no. Ready? Ready? Here we go. Rock, paper, scissors. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Yep. Oh, you got me. Who am I? No, who am I? Who am I? Who am I? What's my name? No, that's not Kara. What'd you say? What'd you say? What's my name? No, I'm not Kira. I'm not Kira. Booty. No, we ain't shaking booty. What's my name? Your finger. Okay. Is your name Malachi?
I'm Malachi.
Yeah, you're Malachi. Good job. Yay, Malachi. Who's this? Who is that? What's her name? Who? Yeah. What's her name? It's Princess. Princess what? Princess what? Kira? Up there. No, not up there. Who is this? Is that Kira? Is it Kira? Huh? And it's Kira, yeah. Who's over there? Is that what's his name? Yeah. What's my name? Hey, what's my name? No, what's my name? No, what's my name? What's my name? What's my name? What's my name? No, not Princess. That's Princess. What's my name? Malachi, what's my name?
I don't know.
Fist bump, okay. What's my name? Take a princess. She's over there. Here's the princess. No. What's my name? Get back up there in that chair. What's my name?
What's your name?
What's my name?
What's your mom?
Am my daddy?
Mom.
Yeah, that's mom's. And my daddy?
What's her?
Huh?
What's
What's my name?
my name?
What's my... Stop playing me. What's my name?
What's my name?
And my daddy?
I'm Carlos.
No, you're not. And my daddy?
Daddy.
Yeah, there we go. What's your name?
What's your name?
No, what's your name? What's your name?
What's your name?
What's your name?
Moans.
Huh?
Moans.
Moans? No. What's your name? What? Shh. Hush. What's your name? What's your name? Huh? Give me a fist bump? Yeah, I see the TV, you little squirrel. What's my name?
Princess.
What's your name?
Princess.
Huh?
The princess.
Hey, what's your name? Is your name Malachi?
Look.
Yeah, I see.
Let's see.
I see the pencil. What's your name? Is your name Malachi? Talk to me. Hey, is your name Malachi?
Talk to me.
Yeah, talk to me. Is your name
No,
Malachi?
again.
Huh?
Never again.
Never again. Is your name Malachi?
Your name.
Huh? Are you Malachi? Huh? Are you Malachi? Fist bump. Okay, what's your name? Mm-hmm. Hey, repeat after me. Repeat after me. Hey, are you ready? Repeat after me. Say, I am
am
Malachi. Say, I
Bobby House.
Barbie house. What? Say, I am Malachi. You still sugar?
No.
Yeah. Love you. Love you.
It's ears.
Yeah. We'll wipe it off. Hang on a minute. Jaden, get a napkin. I love you. Love you.
Get away, please.
Okay, we'll get the wipies. Love you. Fist bump. Fist bump. Already ready to eat, ain't they?
Mm-hmm. Well, somebody knocked this down in there.
I did not know.
There's one little bun.
Mm-hmm. Poor little fellers. Having a hard time at it, but hopefully they'll get big and do what we gotta do. Look all right, Kara.
Watch out, Gracie.
Move, Care Bear.
Just want to look at it.
That Joker's hungry, man. He's like, give me some food.
Sorry, Dad.
The other ones won't come out yet. There he went, down in the hole. Okay. The real goat's milk, eating it a lot better, ain't he?
Yeah.
Or, a whole lot better. Maybe that'll work. Get them big.
Hope so.
Because they wasn't. They're barely surviving.
Yeah.
Poor fellers. Rough.
Black one's coming up.
It's doing good.
I've put a lot of alfalfa grass and stuff in the top. And then the white one came up too.
Alfalfa? We got no alfalfa.
Yeah, I took it out of your
Out of
bills.
my bills.
Sorry. It was needed.
Alfalfa will get them fat, but if they'll eat it.
They have been.
Have they been eating it?
Yeah, because I put some in there last night and it was gone.
I'm sure they're eating it, not dragging it down. That little rascal's all over the place. He's doing great.
You gotta watch because they'll try to dive out. So if he gets over to the edge and.
Baby bunny eating.
I'd say he'd eat more.
Yeah, he will. When they eat good, I give them more, but I have to.
No, he didn't want to let go of that thing. He was like, hey, what are you doing? Look at him. He's all over the place. Heck yeah. It's about time we got something that'll work. That fake goat milk wasn't working.
I mean, it got them by, but.
You know, it got them by, but that's it. I mean, they didn't like it.
If they have to. I know.
Is that real good?
Goodness, look at him. Wait till I send a video of this to them.
Is that real goat milk?
Yep.
Goodness. Drinking that stuff faster than you can get it in.
Oh, he's ready to go, buddy. He's like, hey.
He is ready for milk.
It's a poor baby.
He is so hungry. Like, we haven't even fed him
His
today.
eyes closed and everything. He's
yeah.
enjoying that.
He's gonna be milk drunk.
Mm-hmm.
Let's go with me.
Thank God we finally got something that worked. I hated
You
that.
are too. You're
Mhm.
patting
It's
me.
been rough.
Just because I'm patting you, don't mean that
Stop fighting.
he's touching me.
Stop. Oh goodness.
'Cause I don't
Shh.
know.
Here.
Grunting and everything else, eating it.
That is just cute.
I'm not squeezing fast enough for you. I'm scared to squeeze too fast.
Yeah, don't squeeze too fast. These will probably end up being the best bunnies ever.
Yeah, this is the most they've ate in a while.
But
Nobody.
okay. Okay, guys. Okay.
And it can even try to jump out of my hand. But I would just pull him really tight.
They're all like, hey, that's better. That's crazy.
10 out of 10 recommend. Get you a goat friend.
Makes you wonder how you can even get the goats to eat that crap then, huh?
Yeah.
We can hold them
I'm
forever.
sure if they've had the real thing, they probably don't want it.
Funny.
Seems really rowdy.
Because we can, like, just wet it.
Y'all need to quit fighting and go. Now. Go on. No, ma'am. No, ma'am. You need to go.
He's
Okay.
the cutest bunny ever.
He's looking and biting at my fingers. Just like, give me more.
He's sleeping in the house. He's so cute.
They're hard to get on.
So how
Hey,
old
here,
do you
Gracie.
think some things are? Month maybe?
No,
2 weeks old.
close to it,
Goodness.
yeah.
You're making good progress, I'll tell you that.
They're really not. They're really small
Like, so cute
for
and
their
adorable.
age, but
That made me small.
Hush, Jamie.
I can't find his groove. Gosh, it's so hard to feed them because they're not consistent. Like sometimes they eat really well, and then other times they're like this. And it's,
I'm just chewing a lot on it.
some chew, some suck.
Stop it.
He's so heavy.
Sorry to interrupt, but I was getting me a flosser. Then they fell into the sink.
It's alright.
You didn't need you one. Why did you grab one? No, you didn't. I just want them shiny. Good.
For some reason his nose don't see anything.
Give him a minute or two and then let him. I'd say, and then try him again, maybe.
I'm gonna finish this down him so I know he's at least got one down.
What?
Shh. Okay, guys. So I've done checked them all, but we're gonna check them again. So what we got here? A roti ball. And we don't have anything yet off of roti ball. Nothing on the roti ball yet, but I got faith it'll come. Get a little bit more water in just a second. The new the 1676 new. Have a small tail there. Check this out. Good night. That is the 2195 towel. And it is, so far, I believe, the biggest one. Ain't that crazy? Now, I ain't gonna be full with these no more till they actually come up out there. I'm just gonna leave them alone. I just wanted to show y'all what they're doing. Alright, and I don't suggest that you all do this. Alright, I'm pretty good about playing with the seeds and getting them out and looking at them. Here's the gross. Gross is pretty good looking. Really nice long root there. That's the 1461 gross. Looking really good. So far to say that I am pleased with these, right, would be just a little under, right? I'm overly pleased with what I'm getting so far. All right, next is the 1620 tile, which is the giant green squash here. It's got a nice one thrown there, looking really good. Just make sure it's there, okay. Stick it back in there so gently. Like I say, guys, I wouldn't do this if you guys don't know what you're doing. It probably ain't even safe for me to really be doing, but just so I can show you guys what we got going. Here's the 1883 Bayou. It's starting to look good. Let me see here. Put it back down here. So. Okay, let's see. 1088 Bayou. Got a nice little start there. Stick it back in there. The 1000.5 brown. I believe it has a pretty decent one on it too, I think. Yeah. And last but not least, 2350 Ginger, the Tiger King. And we have liftoff. We have liftoff. So there's all those seeds that we had just got in the water, or soaked 2 days ago. We soaked them and we planted them, and now they're sprouted. Hopefully by tomorrow they will be up and out of the, pushing the dirt up, and we'll go from there. All right, so thermometer back here. All right, guys. All right, so giant amaranth is looking great. This thing is super tall. A lot of roots growing in there. I'm gonna have to get that thing transplanted soon, man. I can't believe how quick it grew. Well, slow but quick. What else we got going on here? Oh, we're getting brown. We're turning brown. So, won't be long, and we'll be picking that and drying the seeds out and growing them. See what that cross makes. I'm excited for it. That one right there, soon to follow, I would say. That's a Dracula. We got this one to take. Right there. That's a Dracula with a banana pepper. That banana pepper plant is huge, guys. Look at that thing. And yep, we took the back toad out. See, the toad's gone. Now we got to sweep up all the mess, clean it all up. We can't take that box out right there because it's got this little tiny bean growing on it. And you see the little bean there, bean, 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 and all of a sudden, bean! Look at that thing. Look how much it gets. Like after that little crappy joint right there, and it's just like pow, it's huge, right? And then all that is just bean. All the way up. All the way over here. So, anyways, got that. Pepper plants are looking good. But we're running out of room in here, so gotta make room. So we'll be working on this. And then tomorrow, I guess, we'll be doing finishing this up in here. Getting this all straightened up and cleaned up and everything. And then we'll start transplanting everything that's here in their own cups or whatever they need. You know, like these peppers here, they should have been transplanted long ago. Those are those pimentos, but we'll just do it now. It'll be all right. Habaneros and some other stuff in through there. I mean, there's lots of stuff that needs done. So we'll hopefully be able to tackle that tomorrow and be good to go. So should be, I think. Man, that plant is huge. That pepper plant has gotten big. Just, I mean, look at it. It's just huge for a little old pot that it's in. But need to get them. That's the kids' giant tomatoes. Need to get them potted up as well. We'll be putting them in 4-inch cups and stuff. Now I need to start planting my own stuff, my own giant seeds. Look at that corn, man. That corn is as tall as me. Look at that. I mean, actually, I guess it's actually taller than me. Look at it. I mean, there's the light, and there's the corn. So, I mean, I guess it's taller than me. So, oh, yeah, look at that cucumber. Pretty long. Probably about, I'd say 15 inches or so. That's pretty good size looking cucumber there. Maybe it will produce some seeds. I don't know. I hope. So I'm gonna leave it in here and let it grow. Let it do its thing. Just want to give y'all an update. Hopefully we'll be getting some beans off this thing soon. You can see lots of shoots everywhere. Looks like it's gonna produce some beans. I've had them on there, but the ones that were down here, right here on this limb, right here, it's resting on that yellow leaf. There was about 6 blooms on that, 6 red ones, and none of them pollinated. No matter how hard I tried to pollinate them, they just didn't take. So it is what it is sometimes, I guess. But we're getting there. We'll get all this cleaned up and everything, and then she's gonna kill me because I got the walls dirty. I'm gonna probably have to paint in here. Didn't mean to do that, but oh well. Anyways, I'm gonna finish this ice cream, and we're gonna edit some video We'll hopefully be able to get it up. That lettuce is getting huge. I just wish it would turn red like it's supposed to. And man, look at that. That's that world record eggplant back there. Look at that. Look how big it is. That's a nice looking eggplant plant. So that's the glazed Brooklyn. Let me see what's going on over here with this one. I forgot to take a look at it. Oh yeah, it's coming along good there now. That's the brown one right there, coming along really nicely. Manzanos are looking good. So, all right, guys. Well, hopefully tomorrow is a little bit more exciting. All right, we hope. And we're gonna get off of here, enjoy our ice cream, and edit some video and do some other stuff and get ready for bed, and then go to bed and then wake up tomorrow and do it all over again. What do you think? So we appreciate you just watching. Guys, don't forget, tomorrow's the drawing. Tomorrow at 9 p.m. the drawing to see who wins the free seeds and fertilizer for the month of April. And then it starts all over again. As soon as the drawing's over, it starts all over, and we'll have another drawing on May, Virginia. That's right.
Don't forget to smash that like button. Hit that notification bell. Don't forget to share.
Thank you, good sir.
You're welcome. And subscribe.